Did you know, on average, a little black girl gets her hair combed anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. So during that time, I want to say during that time is a perfect time to teach so many things, to have so many conversations, just the mere fact that the child is sitting for so long. Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Let's do hair. If you are new here, welcome. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. So I'm starting by moisturizing her hair. She claimed she wanted buns and she also wanted ponytails. So we're going to do the two styles on here. She wore buns for a week and then she wore ponytail another week. So we started with buns. So we simply have a straight part down the middle. I moisturize with the main crush leave-in detangler, and then I'm adding La Belle's authentic Jamaican castor oil for extra moisture. So after that, we are going to start working our part. So you want to make sure that you have your part nice and straight from front to back. I typically start, in order to get a straight part for the front, you can just run your comb along the bridge of the nose and then go all the way up to the head. So the next thing you want to do is brush the hair and then brush it in. You're going to make a ponytail. You're going to catch it, whether you're using a rubber band, a scrunchie, whatever you use to grab the hair together. Alright, next we are going to be using this little bun. We had a few of these, but somehow magically they disappear. So we're gonna have to improvise with the second one. I'll show you what I'm gonna be using for the second one in just a moment. So after I put this on, I try to find the center. Like really find your center, because that will make it nice and neat. And then after I find my center, I am going to tuck the hair underneath while rolling it lightly, and I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. All right, so here we go. You're kind of tucking it under the bun that you have lightly, because it's going to be, you want a big bun. It's going to be a nice big type of bun. It's not a messy bun, but it's not very tight, and you'll see what I mean. It's more going to be on the loose end, and then I'm just going to be using bobby pins to secure the hair as well as secure the bun. And then we are repeating the same process on the other side. Edge control, brush it in, secure the hair with your hair tie, and get ready to add your bun. So we got creative. This, we don't have the extra bun. So, I mean, our hair has the length where we could just go ahead and do like a bun with just our hair. But today we are using a sock. So what I did was I cut a sock and I roll it, and that's it. That's what we're doing. We cut the sock, we rolled it and make it into a bun. And that's what we're going to use to apply to the hair right now. All right, it works, and it's pretty much looked to me like the same size as the other one. So because I would have preferred if this were black, but it's not black. But like I said, she has enough hair that will hide the gray in the sock, or the color of the sock rather. So we're gonna tuck underneath lightly, tuck. You want to make sure that you're covering the color, and then we're gonna tuck, and then we're gonna use bobby pins to secure it, just like we did on the other side. All right, we are done. What is a finished hair without some edges? So we slayed those edges, and then voila. There's so many things that you can do with this style from here. You can add bows, you can add ribbons, you can add pretty clips, you can add anything to make it extra pretty, and it drools, and this will be gorgeous. And this is the hair. The next morning she woke up, she had a field trip, and so this was the result, still intact. Let's move on. Style number 2. All right guys, so we're gonna start with the next style. So I'm starting by taking out some of the hair on the side, because she said she needed like a whisker, the little curly whisker on the side. So we're gonna take that out. And then with this one, we're gonna change the parting of the top of the head. Typically when I do this zigzag style, I would try to do a straight part first, so that way you have your center. So we already have a straight part, so all I gotta do is go from side to side with the parting while using the already existing straight line as my guide. Next, I'm going in with my edge control. This is my Eben New York edge control. So I did sped this part up. I went from side to side with my edge control until I have both sections in ponytails. So next, I sprayed her little whiskers, and we're gonna add the main Crush Curl Teeny Styler to the hair, because that's what's gonna give us our curls. Beautiful curls, guys. Believe me, these curls last for days.
I'll just automatically shut down and stay still. Did you know that? If you press me right here. Do you want to press it, Mama? You don't want me to stay still?
I know exactly how to make you stay still.
How?
Yes, sir. The brush. Right, yes.
A meaner way of doing it, okay?
That's a meaner way?
Yeah, you could just press me and I'm just like...
Okay. Wow, it worked. It really does work. She's staying still. That's interesting.
Would you like to turn me back on?
Oh, no.
Just
No.
click the turn button.
The same button?
Yep. And the button next to it, you can speak into the microphone in my ear, and I'll do exactly what you command.
Oh, yeah, see.
And the button is right here. While I am shut down, I would ask you some couple questions to keep me and you entertained.
I thought I put you on pause. How is it that you're still talking? I don't get it.
Did you not understand me correctly?
If me not understand you?
I never said I would sit down and be quiet. I said that I would just stay still.
So will it be quiet button there?
You can speak into the microphone, which is in my ear.
For you to be quiet?
Yeah. I didn't quite understand that.
I am speaking into the microphone for you to be quiet.
Which commanded in 5, 4, 3, 10.
Alright, so I twisted most of the hair off camera. All I did was I add liquid to the hair. I'm using clove water at this point. Add liquid to the hair. Then we're adding the curl styler. I twisted halfway through, and then I just left the curls at the end. That way the ponytail, the curly ponytail, can be a little bit bigger. Anybody need a child? Our email will be in the description. Any inquiries, serious people only. And this child is a handful. She chats well heap. She's very smart too.
But just so you know, I want to be home.
Gonna be homeschooled?
No. The only way I'm going to be homeschooled is if I have play dates. With my friends.
Play dates?
Yeah, I like friends.
Okay. Alright. I think I'm all done. Now you guys. So I twisted. I think it looks so good.
Can I go and look at it?
Not yet, not yet.
Okay,
Wait,
is it gonna be
the
surprise?
shrinkage is real. So I don't. All right, but it's really pretty. Let's see.
Can I go and look at it now?
Nope.
Can I look at it now?
Nope.
Can I look at it now?
Nope.
Your hands are very cold.
They are.
Starting off in 1.
You know what that means? Do you
I know what that means.
What does that mean?
You need to go and run your hand in some hot water.
Oh, silly Willy. Cold hands, warm heart. That's what that means. When your hands are cold, your heart is warm.
So when your hands are warm, your heart is cold.
That's it for style number 2, you guys. We are all done. The curls are beautiful. This lasted her a whole week. I did have to touch up, brush the hair, but like as for the curls, they stayed intact. Now this is what it looked like when we took it down. I think we did it Saturday. We were going to church this Sunday morning and we took it down. There it is.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.